back to dear teacher. Today in this video I am going to explain another method of solving the simple equations, okay, linear equations. I can say second method, elimination method. So elimination methods, there are two elimination methods. One is elimination by substitution. Elimination by substitution. This is the first elimination method. Elimination means removing. Okay. So for this, let us take an example. Okay. X plus 2y is equal to 3 and 2x plus y is equal to 3. So this is the system of linear equations. We have to solve by using the method elimination by substitution. Okay, this is my own problem. Before I start my problem answer, I request you to subscribe my channel. If you like my teaching, please share this video to your friends. And I am explaining only the concepts in this video. For practice worksheets and tests, you can download my app, Dear Teacher app, from Google Play Store, and from there you can do the tests and you can interact with me also. If you are having any personal doubts in the subjects, you can contact me and I can teach you one-to-one online. So now let us go to elimination by substitution. So elimination, what is to be eliminated? There are two variables, x and y. One variable is to be eliminated. So then only one variable will be remaining. Then it will become a simple linear equation. Then we can easily solve that particular value. So you take any one equation, say let us label it, number it. This is first equation and this is second equation. You can eliminate any variable, x variable or y variable, anything. I will take the first equation, consider first equation. Okay. So what is the first equation? X plus 2y is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 minus 2y. So that means I got x value in terms of y value. So I got x value. So then what I will do? Substitute x, this value, in the another equation. Here I have taken first equation. I have to substitute this x value in the other equation. That means in 2. So then what you write second equation, 2x plus y is equal to 3. So in the place of x, I should write 3 minus 2y. So 3 minus 2y. So x got eliminated and the remaining things you have to write. So then what happened here? X is eliminated. Now finally we have got only one variable, y. So now it is a simple equation, simple linear equation in one variable. Open the brackets, 2 3 is 6, 2 2s are 4y plus y is equal to 3. Simplified, send 6 to other side, minus 4y plus y is minus 3y is equal to 3 minus 6. This 6 came to the right hand side. So minus 3y is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to, both sides minus are there, you can cancel it. So 3 upon 3 which is equal to 1. That means y is equal to 1. So now in two variables we have got the value of y. Now we should get the value of x. So again we resubstitute this value in x. Here we have already got x value in terms of y. Now we have got y, so we will substitute y value here. X is equal to 3 minus 2 into, in the place of y I should write 1. So then what happens? Y got eliminated in this, right? Here x eliminated, now here y eliminated. So 3, 2 1s are 2, so 3 minus 2, 1. So that means x is equal to 1. X value we got. So now finally you write the answers. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. This is the answer, solution of the given equation. So this is how you have to apply elimination by substitution method. Very simple. Again I will explain you. So first two equations will be given. You take any one equation. In this case I have taken first equation. You can take second equation also. So you consider any one equation, find the value of one variable in terms of another variable. So that means x value in terms of y or y value in terms of x. Here y I have taken x. If I take x, what happened? You will not be getting a fraction. So if I take let me do here x plus 2y is equal to 3. If I want to find the y value, what happened? 3 minus x you send that side, y is equal to 3 minus x by 2. I have got a fraction here. Maximum try to avoid fractions. Sometimes fractions will definitely come. So here in this case I don't get fractions if I take x, because x coefficient is 1. So if you take y coefficient is 2, so 2 will become in the 2 will come in the denominator. That is why you take suitable. Okay, if there is no possibility, you take any variable. So find any variable and in terms of another value and substitute that value of the variable in the other equation, so that only one variable will be remaining, and find the value of that variable using the procedure given in linear equation in one variable. So to do this linear equation in one variable, you have to do at least 50 problems, so that you can do it very fastly. So then you will get one variable answer, value of one variable. Again you substitute this value of one variable in any one of the equations. So then you will be getting the other value of the other variable value. This is how you have to do. Now in the Ncert textbook, 3.2 exercise is completely based on this method only. Completely, the whole exercise is based on elimination by substitution. First question, there are 6 bits. Okay, 6 bits are there. You have to do 6 bits. In that I will just focus one or two questions. I will just give you an idea how to do it. Exercise 3.2. First question. First bit is normal. Second bit, in the second bit, s minus t is equal to 3 and s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. So here you have to be very careful. Coefficients are to be finalized. Here fractions are there. Here coefficient is 1. Coefficient is 1. This equation is very nice. Beautiful equation. So here the coefficient is 1 by 3 getting confused. So this second equation, take LCM, 3 and 2, 6 is the LCM. Multiply every term with LCM. 6 into 3 by 2 equal to 6 into 6. You take the LCM of the denominators and multiply every term of that equation with the LCM. So then what happened? The denominators will get cancelled in the LCM. So then what happens? 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. This is the final second equation. So this is first equation and this is second equation. Then it will be easy for you. Okay? So even without doing this also you can do it, but you have to be very cautious. Okay? Now same way, sixth problem is also there. Sixth bit. Even sixth bit is also having the same problem. Fractions are there. You write it in the standard form. Okay? You try to write it in the standard form. It will be easy for you. Okay? If you are very good in fractions and all those things, you can do directly. But I advise you to do this. So this is first problem. Let us go to the second question. Okay? Second question. Second question of exercise 3.2. I can write page number also, page number 33. Right? Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 1, 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Solve. He did not give you the method, but we are working elimination by substitution method in this exercise. Do use only that method. In examination you can use any method, because in this question he did not mention which method you have to use. But now in this exercise, because we are working only this elimination by substitution method, use that method only. Solve, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. So you have to find out the value of the m. So that means you have to find out x value and y value, and then using that you will be getting. So first you find out x value, you will be getting something, and y value you will be getting something using elimination by substitution method. Okay? Then you have to substitute these values in this equation, because he asked find the value of m such that y is equal to mx plus 3. So now you got one value here, you got one more value here, you substitute x here and y here. So then you will be getting m into something plus 3. It is a simple equation and you can find out the m. Okay, this is how you have to do by yourself. Now let us see third question, how third question comes. From the pair of linear equation for the following problems, find their solution by substitution method. These are word problems. Word problems are very, very important. Okay. So in European countries, story problems they will say. So word problems, definitely word problems are very important in this chapter. So he has given 5 chapters. So identify steps I will just give you. Identify what variables are there in that. For example, the difference between two numbers. The two numbers are the variables. Second question, the larger of two supplementary angles. So two angles are given. one angle is x, another angle is y. Okay, the coach, third question, the coach of cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls. Bats number of bat value and ball value are the variables. X is the bat value and ball value is y. Question number 4, the taxi charges in city. I will explain you this question. Okay, so the fraction becomes 9 by 11. So numerator is x, denominator is y. So like that you have to identify the variables. Identify variables. This is the first step. That means let so and so is x, so and so is y. This is how identify variables. Okay, and express into the equations. There will be definitely 2 conditions. So express as equations. So you will be getting 2 equations. Name it first equation and second equation, and then solve. You will be getting a value of those 2 variables. Accordingly you put this. Say it is very simple. This is how you have to attempt a word problem. Okay, first you should identify. You should suppose let so and so is x, so and so is y. This is the first step. So for that you have to identify what variables are given in the problem, and then read it carefully 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and definitely there will be 2 conditions. So each condition you express it in the form of an equation. So you will be getting 2 equations, and using those 2 equations you can go ahead. Okay, so this is how you have to attempt this question. So question number 4 is little bit important question. I am going to explain it now. Okay, so taxi charges in a city. The taxi charges, how the charge will be there? Charge is equal to it contains 2 things. One is fixed charge plus, that means whether how much distance you travel, minimum something will be there. That minimum charge will be fixed. Once you get into the taxi, 100 rupees, suppose 100 rupees is the minimum, 100 rupees, even if it is half kilometer, 100 meters. Okay, so that is the minimum charge, plus charge per distance, charge per kilometer, charge into distance. Some people will say 1 kilometer, even in the RTC buses and all those things, the same procedure will be used. So charge into distance. This is the how charge of the auto or taxi is fixed. Okay, even in the villages also you will be seeing the auto will take the minimum charge. Okay, he will not come only very small distance, 1 rupee, 5 rupees. Oh no, if you get into the auto, minimum 20 rupees, like that he will be taking, depending upon the surrounding and atmosphere. This is the understanding of the charge. Now let us read it. Okay, for a distance of 10 kilometers. So case 1, what is the case 1? Distance is equal to 10 kilometers, right? So then what is the charge paid? Charge is equal to 105 rupees. So now let us put this in the here. So fixed charge is equal to x. My step is let identify the variables. Fixed charge is x, we don't know how much is the fixed charge, and charge per kilometer also we don't know, that is y. Okay, charge per 1 kilometer. So now put this in the case 1. So charge how much? 105 is equal to fixed charge x plus charge per distance. So 10 kilometers is there, y into 10, so 10y. So this is the first equation. That means 10 kilometers is the distance. For 1 kilometer y is the charge. Okay, so this is the first equation, case 2, and for a journey of 15 kilometers the charge paid is 155. So here distance is 15 kilometers and charge is how much? 155. So if you put these values in this, what happened? 155 is equal to x plus 15 kilometers, charge is y, so it is 15y. 1 kilometer 10 rupees, 10 kilometer 10 into 10 100 rupees, like that. Okay, this is second equation. Now you have got two equations and you can apply elimination by substitution. You will be getting fixed charge and you will be getting charge per kilometer. So don't stop, you just see what is the climax, what is to be calculated, what are the fixed charges. Okay, we got it, and charge per kilometer, that is also came. And one more question is there, how much does a person have to pay traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? So then 25 kilometers means x plus 25y you have to find out. So x value you have to put it here plus 25 into y value you have to put it here, and you will be getting the final answer. So this is first answer and this is the second answer. So you have to be very careful. Most of the students will leave the second bit, they will just find x value and y value, but you have to conclude. Conclusion will take some marks, half mark or 1 mark. If you just simply x is equal to over, y is equal to something over, no. Therefore after finding x and y you have to conclude, therefore the fixed charges is so and so and charge per 1 kilometer is equal to so and so. You have to conclude like that. Okay, so I hope you have understood. 3.2 exercise is over. We will do next method in my next video lesson. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to share my channel with your friends. Bye bye.